Hi guys, so guess what I got? My package from basedSKIN. Look at how cute this is. It has my name on it. So cute. Thank you for joining us in our cruelty-free skincare revolution. XOXO basedSKIN. So sweet. I love that. It's such a cute packaging. Oh my god, and it comes with a washcloth. Yes, girl. Don't tell me this is for my hair. Don't tell that. Girl. Because you know all this hair, I need it out my face. This is amazing. Amazing. Okay. Now it's out my face. Awesome. I love this for myself. We have the chlorophyll brightening cleanser. It smells like chlorophyll. Cool. And we have the facial decongestion. This is more deep. I like what it smells. This does smell like a deep cleaner. Like it's just kind of And then the spoon is in the hair packaging. And then the collagen serum. I love collagen. As women, we want collagen. And then we have this non-comedogenic moisturizer. Oh, the squalane oil. So I can use this after. Boom. This is awesome.